What's up, everyone? This is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a kind of a talking video of the Bissell 3-in-1 stick vacuum. Now, as you can see, like I said, this thing gonna get used almost like the whole summer, because you see how much it's better. This thing is like, which is it's definitely not a bad looking machine in my opinion, because you see how much it's like, because I put my knee right here, lock the handle back and forth like that. You can see because you see how much better this thing is like. You tell. I mean, this is a 2030 is released in 2020, which that means that you see how much it's better this seems like you can see, which is definitely how much it's better this seems like, which is definitely it's not that bad in my opinion. But if you could see how much it's better this seems like it could get used almost like quite a bit, because you see it does work some ways, because you see how they still holding up completely, because as you can see it is a little dirty in my opinion, but you can see it's definitely how much it's better this seems like, which like I said, I mean, surprised it's not as a gaming obviously, but I really do like this machine, because you see how much it's better this seems like, it just definitely looks pretty nice looking in my opinion. But you see how much it's better this seems like, it's actually gonna get used almost like quite a bit, because you see how much it's better this seems like, it just definitely looks pretty nice looking in my opinion. But you see, I mean, I know this thing will get used again this weekend again. Mondays and Thursdays, but sometimes it will get days. Sometimes it will get used every Mondays and Fridays. You can see, but I don't like how this thing comes to come up, because every time the cord is loaded, this thing just flips down in my opinion. But you see how much it's better this seems like, which is definitely looks pretty nice looking in my opinion. But it's definitely how much I expected the same like, just it definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. So it will be usually again like the whole weekend like you see, because I don't like how the score is so short in my opinion, but it's definitely what I expected the same like, it just definitely looks pretty nice like in my opinion. But you see how much expected this machine's been used almost like quite a bit. Yeah, I do like the same lot, because you see how much expected this thing's like, and this thing being used the whole weekend on Mondays and Thursdays, you can see, but this is a very nice looking machine.